What is up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue, and what I'll be doing today is I'm going to be cooking a whole chicken in my crock pot or slow cooker or whatever you want to call it. This recipe was given to me by a coworker, so I figured we'd go ahead and hook it up. Now, as far as their recipe goes, they just said season the chicken however you want, get it in the crock pot, throw some onions and garlic in it, and then let it go for 8 hours on low. I'm going to be adding a little bit of mushrooms to this just because I have them on hand and they need to get used pretty soon. And the seasoning I'm going to be using is a seasoning called Poultry Perfection by a company named Miner's Mix. Some good stuff. They have a lot of great seasonings. If you're looking for some seasonings, I'm going to leave a link to where you could get this stuff in the description below. So really, all we need to do is start getting this stuff thrown in. So we have our chicken. This is about a 4-pound chicken. We're going to get it in our slow cooker and hit it up with a little bit of olive oil. Just make sure we have it evenly coated. I'm not even sure if this olive oil is all that necessary. So we got that. Get our seasonings on. That looks good to go. Let's throw in our onions. Mushrooms. And I'm going to lift this up and get our garlic kind of down there. Alright, that's it. Get our lid on, set it on low for 8 hours. We'll check back when it's done. So here's what we're looking like after cooking on low for 8 hours. This is still pretty hot, so I'm going to let this cool down for about 40 minutes before we pull it out and taste it. One thing I can tell you is this smells absolutely incredible. Okay, so this chicken's had a chance to cool down. I'm going to go in with my hands and pull this bad boy out. Whew. It is still fairly hot. Man, this is good. It's definitely moist. Let's get a taste. This liquid that's in here is the bomb. I was thinking about making some enchiladas with this, but this almost has a flavor profile. If I keep this liquid, it might actually work a little bit better with the casserole, so I'm going to look into that. Anyway, doesn't get much easier than that. I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe. Now I'm out.